Yeah, so that's when I found out that me and Tyler were actually related. Turns out that he's my cousin all along. Who knew, huh?
Yeah. Crazy.
Anyways, listen. So, Tom, what's your next cocktail? What's the next cocktail you're making?
Well, I recently discovered this really awesome little cocktail. It's called the Port of Spain. And yeah,
the Port of Spain.
Yeah.
Love that cocktail. That's right up your alley too, because it's very smoky and stuff. Because you use like mezcal and stuff like that. That's
mezcal.
amazing.
No, it's rye. It's a rye drink.
No. Mezcal. Maybe you're thinking about another cocktail. I know you're Canadian and you guys like your rye, but this is mezcal, buddy.
No, it's rye. It's allspice. There's Angostura. It's an
Rob,
egg white.
Rob,
it's a sour.
I'm telling you, Rob, I've had the cocktail before. I've been in this business for 15 years. I'm telling you, it's mezcal.
No, I love mezcal. It's probably a good drink, but it's
Rob,
not a Port of Spain.
This is it's my show.
No.
I say it's mezcal. All right? Or you don't, get off my show. Get off my show.
Whatever.
Get off my show. Rob, get out. Rob. No, Rob, I was kidding. No, Rob.
G-Bud, I didn't think those hosers would ever leave.
Welcome, guys, and today we are making one variation to the Port of Spain cocktail. Please check out Vino over at 60 Second Cocktails to see the original Port of Spain cocktail, but this is a variant that we're making using Rye Whiskey, Allspice Liqueur. We make our own allspice, so click that link, check that out. We got some Angostura. That's actually, I believe, the one ingredient that's the same in both. And we have an egg white, so this is actually a sour. And some Grenadine. Okay, so a lot of ingredients in this one. So we're gonna start with 1.5 ounces of rye whiskey. I'm using Rittenhouse rye. It's an American rye. It's 100 proof. It's nice and rich and spicy. It's a great rye. Oh yeah, it just smells so good. Okay, after that, we're still recording, don't worry. After that, we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of our allspice dram. As I mentioned, this is a homemade allspice dram because I can't find it where I am. But if you got the St. Elizabeth's or whatever allspice you got, use that. This stuff is so good. I love allspice. It just tastes so good. Okay, now, this is heavy on the Angostura. 1/2 ounce of Angostura. You're gonna have to pop the top of your dasher in order to pour it freely, and a full 1/2 ounce of Angostura. So this is gonna be a bitter drink, but it's gonna be nice and spicy. The allspice is gonna give it some sweetness as well. So it's not gonna be like a hugely bitter. After that, we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of Grenadine. So that's where our sugar is coming from. Yes, I'm using the neon stuff. Don't hate. I'll eventually get around to making my own. And then since this is a sour, we do need our sour component, which is going to be 3/4 ounce of lemon juice. All right. Is that everything? I think that's everything. Oh my God, I forgot the egg white. So this is a sour. We're going to do an egg white. So crack an egg. Be careful not to drop the yolk in there. I've done that before. Some of you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm going to do a reverse dry shake on this one here. Normally on egg white cocktails, you do a dry shake. So you shake once with no ice, and then you shake again with ice. We're just doing the reverse of that. So we're going to chill it first. So by shaking with ice, so I'm going to fast forward a little bit here. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, let's empty it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to strain the cocktail back into the glass. So it's already starting to get frothy. But now it's chilled. We're going to discard the ice and we're going to shake a second time vigorously without ice to get it really, really frothy. So I don't know if there really is a difference between a dry shake and a reverse dry shake, if any of them works better. If you know, please leave a comment and let me tell me why one's better. What I have noticed and what I do like about the reverse dry shake is that because on your second shake there's no ice, you don't have to strain, and so your strainer doesn't actually kill any of your nice foam. So there's that. Okay, we're serving this in a chilled Nicanora. And I'm just gonna do a nice, see, look at that beautiful foam. Look at that, all the way to the top. We're gonna let it sit, it's gonna settle, and it's gonna show that really nice foam on top. And become bright and red. It's beautiful. We're going to garnish with a lemon peel. And there you have it. There's your port of Spain, and made with rye whiskey, allspice, Angostura. So be sure to check out Vino's cocktail over at 60 Second Cocktails. His port of Spain used mezcal, orgeat, Angostura, of course. It's a great looking cocktail, Vino. All right, let's taste this bad boy. So this was a flavor bomb. Surprisingly, the rye kind of takes a back seat. Right up front, you get the Angostura, the spices, the bitterness, followed immediately with the allspice and the sweetness, that lovely foam. It's just a really, really good cocktail. I hope you give it a try, and I hope you give Vino's a try, and then comment, let us know which one's better. Which one do you prefer? And that's it, guys. We'll see you next time. Cheers.